So in this video I'm going to give a quick overview of the Hetzner cloud that we use for some of our infrastructure systems. When you log in, they tell me they're going to increase our prices apparently, but yeah, probably not much can be done about that with electricity prices going up at the moment. So they have the Adoptium JDK project here, which has some of our machines. To add a new server, you click the big Add Server button, relatively straightforward. You can pick where you want it. I'll stick with Helsinki, why not? I'll go for Fedora 36 because I've not done a Fedora 36 before. So standard, sounds good. Go for the smallest one, 1 CPU, 2 gigabytes. You can create an extra volume if you so desire, but you need a quota increase potentially to do that because there's a limit on your account of how much you can actually do. I'll give it an IPv4 and IPv6 address. I don't particularly want a firewall on this one, nothing extra fancy. SSH key, yeah, you can add the SSH key that you use when you connect to the machine. I will give it one of mine. I'll just copy it from GitHub, which is that's all public anyway, so that's not a problem. SSH key, I won't set it as default for now because I don't want to mess about with anything on the server. It's test Hetzner Fedora 36x64.1. Here we go. So a nice little server. And create by now. There we go. Primary IP created. And there it goes. Should be up and running now. So I can click on it to go into the details as usual. Get the options for creating backups and so on. All the usual good stuff that you might expect. If you want to rebuild the server, you can do it there with a different image. Various rescue options in there. Power, you can power off, shut it down. Power cycle. Power cycle is the one that we've been using for. Yep, let's verify I got the right one for some of the other demos. So I'll just do a power cycle in here as well. There we go. Server reset. I will do a software shutdown as well. Can't actually see it on this screen, but if I click that button there, it brought up another window that lets me access the console of the machine, and I can type into that, and it just works as normal. I will now power off the server, and then get the option to power it back on again, of course. And finally, the option to delete it. So I don't want this one anymore, and it's another one of those that will let me cut and paste the name of the machine, which I always find is a bit suspect. To delete everything associated with it. It's irreversible. I am definitely on the right machine because it's showing me the name there, Fedora 36 one I just created. Delete the server, and there it goes. All done. Nice and straightforward.